Hi, my name is Marlene Franke with the American Bespoke Tailoring Academy, and I'd like to welcome you to Tuesday's tailoring tip. Today we're going to be talking about how to use a thimble and why it's important. Before I show you how to use a thimble, I think it's important to note that there are a couple different types out there. This is a seamstress's thimble. We won't be using that today. This is a tailor's thimble. It's open on the end and it has little grooves all around the side. When choosing a thimble, make sure you choose one that fits snugly, but not too snugly. Now, in order to use the thimble, you're going to take your needle and you're going to place it between your index finger and your thumb, just as if you were going to write. But instead, you'll place your thimble right behind so that when you're tailoring, you'll push your needle through with the thimble and grip it on the other end. So you'll push it through, like so, and grip it on the other end. So it's a push and a grip. Push and a grip. I hope our video helped you to understand how to use a thimble and why it's important. Remember, with anything in tailoring, it takes time and patience, so don't give up. Continue using your thimble, and before you know it, it will become second nature. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us at theabta.com. Otherwise, I'll look forward to seeing you next week for our next tailoring tip.